Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing these tall, modern nightstand sets. So I have one over there and one over there. This is from Aitjunz Store, okay? So with these tall, modern nightstand sets, it basically has a curved profile on top. And what I really like about it is that it's got like an open shelf on the bottom portion. And it's also got a charging station on the top. So we got two USB cables and two wall outlets. So this is absolutely perfect for any primary bedroom or even a living room as well. So I went with the natural oak version. It took about 1 hour to install each of these nightstands. And even so, it's got two drawers as well. So we have one drawer on the bottom, one drawer, another drawer below that. And then you've got the shelving unit, which is kind of like in the middle here. And this curved profile just adds to the aesthetic of it. And so with that, this replaced my old nightstand and it's a nice decent height. It's about 25 inches tall and about 23 inches wide, I believe. It took 1 hour to assemble each of them and it does come in a pair. So I have one over there and I also have one over there as well. But if you're looking for a nice modern wooden slash mid-century style for any bedroom, I'd say this looks absolutely great. So you can see like what my portion of the primary bedroom actually looks like. I absolutely love it. And so check it out for yourselves. I've had no problems with this whatsoever.